Hi, in this video, let us discuss about what is package in Java. Package is used as a container for classes. So let us write a program to understand package. First we create a package, marketing. So inside this package, let us create a class called advertisement. Okay. So now let us create another class, another package called sales. And inside this package, we can create a class called product. And inside product class, let us have a private member name, assign value. Let us create one method also. Let us have a sysout. Let us print the name of the product. Now inside the advertisement class, let us have a main method. Inside main method, let us create a product object. So now we are getting a compilation error like product cannot be resolved at type. This is because this product class actually belongs to a different package called sales. So we have to import that package. We have to import that class. Import sales dot product. Okay, so now it will work. Let us call this method display details method. Now let us run this code and see the output. Package has one more advantage. It will avoid name collision. For example, we can have same class with same name in different package. For example, we can create a class called advertisement inside sales package also. So this will work. Package has another advantage. It also helps to control the visibility. That is, we can uh, provide different visibility levels using package that we will study inside while we studying the access modifiers. Okay.